Have you ever talked to your houseplants? Or maybe you've heard that playing classical music helps them grow. It sounds a bit quirky, right? But what if I told you there is some serious science behind the idea that plants can actually respond to sound? Let us dig into the fascinating world of plant acoustics and find out if your leafy friends are really listening.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
First off, let's be clear. Plants don't have ears or a nervous system like we do, so they aren't hearing Mozart in the same way you and I would. But they are incredibly sensitive to their environment, and that includes vibrations. Sound, at its core, is just a series of vibrations traveling through a medium like air or soil, and plants are masters at detecting physical disturbances. Scientists have discovered that plants are covered in mechanoreceptors. These are specialized cells that can sense physical pressure and vibrations. Think about how a Venus flytrap snaps shut when an insect touches its trigger hairs. That's a mechanoreceptor in action. It turns out, this same principle applies to sound vibrations. So, what kind of sounds are we talking about? The most compelling research isn't about music, but about sounds that are relevant to a plant's survival. For example, a study published in a major science journal found that plants can distinguish the specific vibrations made by a caterpillar chewing on their leaves. When they sense these chewing vibrations, they ramp up their production of chemical defenses to make their leaves less tasty. It's like an early warning system. The amazing part is, they don't react to other vibrations, like wind or the buzzing of a harmless insect. They can tell the difference. Other studies have explored how different sound frequencies affect plant growth. Researchers have exposed plants to low-frequency sounds, similar to what you might find in nature, and observed some incredible results. In some cases, seedlings germinated faster and their roots grew longer and stronger. How does this work? The sound vibrations seem to trigger specific genes and hormone signals within the plant. It's like the vibrations are a form of information, telling the plant it's a good time to grow and get established. But it's not just about defense or growth. Sound might also help plants find water. Some scientists believe that roots can detect the sound of flowing water underground and actually grow towards it. It's a phenomenon called phonotropism. While this is still an emerging area of research, it shows just how sophisticated plant senses might be. They're not just passively sitting there. They are actively exploring and responding to their environment in ways we're only beginning to understand. This response to vibrations is also crucial for pollination. Think about buzz pollination. Certain flowers, like tomatoes and blueberries, only release their pollen when they feel the specific high-frequency buzz of a bee's wings. The bee latches on, vibrates its body at just the right frequency, and the flower showers it with pollen. It's a perfect sonic partnership that has evolved over millions of years. So, what does this all mean for your houseplants? Should you be curating a playlist for your pothos? Well, the science doesn't strongly support the idea that your plants prefer batch over rock music. Most of the proven effects are linked to specific, evolutionarily relevant frequencies like chewing pests or buzzing pollinators. Playing random music might create some vibrations, but it's unlikely to have the targeted effect that a caterpillar's munching does. However, the very act of talking to your plants might have an indirect benefit. When you talk, you release carbon dioxide, which plants use for photosynthesis. And if you're close to them, the gentle vibrations from your voice might provide some minor stimulation. But more importantly, if talking to your plants makes you a more attentive plant parent, noticing when they need water, or if pests have appeared, then that's what truly helps them thrive. The idea that plants are just passive, silent organisms is completely outdated. They are dynamic beings, constantly sensing and responding to the world around them through light, touch, chemicals, and yes, even sound. They might not be listening to our conversations, but they are definitely tuned into the vibrations that matter for their survival. It is a reminder that the natural world is far more complex and interconnected than we can imagine. What are your thoughts? Have you noticed any weird or wonderful reactions from your own plants? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the secret life of plants, be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of science. See you next time.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.